Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where I eat spicy stuff in front of your face. Today I've got something from Singapore. It is Prima Taste Black Pepper Crab Ramen, and I cooked it up. And here we are. Got some egg, got some scallion, got some tofu puff, got some mung bean sprout, got a lot going on here. Alright, ready, set, go. So it's been a good day. I had to go to the doctor. I've had this kind of back stuff going on, this neck stuff going on, and all this hacking up junk. But anyways, I got to hop on the scale there, and I've lost another, like 5.7 pounds or 5.3 pounds. I can't remember which. But I'm down 111 pounds since last October. So that's nice. I actually walked from this town to another town to get to the doctor this morning. And I thought it was going to take longer. I gave myself a lot of time. It only took me 40 minutes. I'm like, really? Door to door? 40 minutes? I'm trying a new camera tripod right now. And it has a suction cup on the bottom, and Miles is trying to put stuff on the coffee stand here, and the suction cup thing has decided to not hold, so it's just kind of like balancing. So he may get very angry with his papa because he's going to try putting stuff on here and I'm going to have to take it off. And little Mimi is yammering. It's nap time for Mimi, who refused to eat any of her lunch today. After an hour of not eating her lunch, I decided that's more than enough time. And she's all, no, don't take it away. Sorry. It's pretty yummy. I tell you though, I think I'm starting to run out of steam already. It is a lot of food, very heavy. Like, what's happened to me? I'm diminished. I used to be able to wolf down something like this and be hungry 5 minutes later. Those days are over. Oh man, I'm getting like sleepy, very full. Miles is doing something underneath the table. So yeah, gonna have a mellow weekend. Next weekend will be Miles' birthday weekend. Miles, how old are you gonna be? He is thoroughly uninterested in what's going on up here. I'm good. Too much food. I'm tapping out. But yeah, that's a pretty good one. I like that. It's definitely black peppery, that's for sure. Ooh. Heat level, that's a tough one to call. I mean, it's not like Scoville hot, but it's like so inundated with black pepper that if you don't like black pepper, you're gonna hate this. And if you do like black pepper, it's gonna be like, wow, that's a lot of black pepper. Good stuff though. But see, that's the thing nowadays. When I review, I have like 1 or 2 little bites and I get a good mouthfeel of the whole thing and I'm good. Doing this, I mean, if I ate this whole thing, it would completely change if I'm not reviewing today, you know, but if I ate this whole thing right now, my brain would be like, oh my god, that was horrible, it was so much food, that was so extreme, So I couldn't really give a really good review on it by just eating the whole thing or trying to scarf down as much as possible. So nowadays it just comes down to a couple bites and I'm pretty confident in those. So alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.